To make this super easy, crispy, high-protein, 4-ingredient savory kimchi pancake recipe. Listen to that crisp. It makes a great snack, side dish, or appetizer. The entire pancake is about 220 calories and 13 grams of protein. The rice paper I use is slightly bigger and thicker than others I found online, so the one you choose could be less calories. 2 pieces of this rice paper is 90 calories. This kimchi is my favorite. I find that it has the most umami flavor. I picked it up from Costco. I used 90 grams of kimchi, which is about 50 calories. Egg whites not only adds protein, but binds all the ingredients together between the rice paper. The cheese adds another dimension to the taste, and I highly recommend not omitting this ingredient. The rice paper tends to curl up when you heat it up, so make sure to use medium-low heat and use utensils to weigh down the top of the rice paper for the first couple minutes.